As a project management expert, I understand that choosing the right tools is crucial for any business's success. When it comes to accounting software, Zoho Books stands out as a comprehensive and user-friendly solution. A common question that arises is, which countries are actively using Zoho Books? Let's delve into this from a global project implementation standpoint, keeping in mind the educational needs of those eager to learn. Global adoption of Zoho Books, a widespread phenomenon. Zoho Corporation, the company behind Zoho Books, is headquartered in Chennai, India, but its reach is truly global. Zoho proudly serves over 50 million customers across more than 160 countries. This signifies a substantial international adoption of their suite of business applications, including Zoho Books. While pinpointing the exact number of users in each specific country can be challenging due to the proprietary nature of such data, we can gather significant insights from various sources. Key regions and countries with strong Zoho Books presence. Based on available information, Zoho Books has a notable presence in the following regions and countries. United States. The U.S. appears to be a significant market for Zoho Books, with a large number of companies reported to be using the software. This is likely due to the strong presence of SMEs and the demand for integrated business solutions. India. As the home country of Zoho Corporation, India has a substantial user base for Zoho Books. The company has actively catered to the needs of Indian businesses, including support for local tax regulations and payment gateways. United Kingdom. The UK is another key market in Europe with a considerable number of businesses utilizing Zoho Books for their accounting needs. Canada. Similar to the US, Canada has a thriving SME sector that benefits from the features and affordability of Zoho Books. Australia. The Australian market has shown significant adoption of Zoho's suite of applications, including Zoho Books. South Africa. Zoho has been actively expanding its presence in Africa, with South Africa being a key market experiencing substantial growth in Zoho Books usage. European Union. Countries within the EEA, including Germany, France, Spain, and the Netherlands, represent a significant user base for Zoho Books in Europe. Zoho has established offices and localized its offerings to cater to the specific requirements of these markets, including compliance with local regulations like GDPR and VAT. Southeast Asia. Countries like Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia are showing increasing adoption of Zoho Books as businesses in this region look for efficient cloud-based accounting solutions. Middle East. The UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait, and Oman are also markets where Zoho Books is gaining traction, catering to the diverse business landscape in the region. Latin America. Mexico and Brazil are notable countries in Latin America where Zoho Books is being adopted by businesses seeking integrated accounting and financial management tools. Africa. Besides South Africa, Zoho has established a presence in Nigeria, indicating a growing interest and adoption of Zoho Books in the African continent. It's important to note that this list is not exhaustive, and Zoho Books is used by organizations in many other countries across the globe. The company's strategy of providing a comprehensive suite of business applications at competitive pricing makes it an attractive option for businesses of all sizes in diverse geographical locations. Why the wide adoption? A project management perspective on benefits. From a project management standpoint, the widespread adoption of Zoho Books can be attributed to several key benefits that align with the principles of efficient resource management, cost control, and streamlined processes. Comprehensive feature set. Zoho Books offers a wide array of features essential for managing business finances, including invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, project management with timesheets, inventory management, and insightful reporting. This all-in-one approach reduces the need for multiple disparate systems, simplifying integration and data management, a core principle of effective project execution. User-friendly interface. The intuitive design of Zoho Books makes it easy for teams to adopt and use, minimizing the learning curve and ensuring quick onboarding. This is crucial for project implementations where user buy-in and efficient tool utilization are paramount. Automation capabilities. Zoho Books allows for the automation of repetitive tasks such as sending payment reminders, generating recurring invoices, and reconciling bank transactions. Automation streamlines workflows, reduces manual errors, and frees up valuable time for more strategic activities, a key objective in project management. Multi-currency support. For businesses operating internationally, as many projects do, the multi-currency support in Zoho Books is invaluable. It simplifies the management of transactions in different currencies, ensuring accurate financial reporting and minimizing currency conversion complexities. Cloud-based accessibility. Being a cloud-based solution, Zoho Books offers flexibility and accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection. This is particularly beneficial for project teams that may be geographically dispersed, enabling seamless collaboration and real-time access to financial data. Scalability. Zoho Books can scale with the growth of a business. It offers different pricing plans and features that cater to the evolving needs of small to medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, ensuring that the accounting system can adapt as the organization and its projects expand. Integration with other Zoho applications. A significant advantage is the seamless integration of Zoho Books with other applications within the Zoho ecosystem, such as Zoho CRM, Zoho Projects, and Zoho Inventory. This integration creates a unified platform for managing various aspects of the business, enhancing data flow and providing a holistic view of project financials. Cost-effectiveness. Compared to some other accounting software in the market, Zoho Books offers a competitive pricing structure, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to optimize their operational costs without compromising on functionality. This aligns with the project management principle of delivering value within budget constraints. Compliance and security. Zoho Books is designed to comply with local tax regulations in various countries, helping businesses stay on the right side of the law. Additionally, Zoho places a strong emphasis on data security, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of financial information, a critical aspect of any project involving sensitive data. Customization and reporting. The ability to customize invoices, reports, and workflows allows businesses to tailor Zoho Books to their specific needs. Robust reporting features provide valuable insights into financial performance, enabling better decision-making and progress tracking for projects with financial implications. Implementing Zoho Books. A project management approach. Implementing accounting software like Zoho Books can be viewed as a project in itself. Applying project management principles can significantly enhance the success of this implementation. Needs assessment and planning. Before implementation, it's crucial to clearly define the business requirements and objectives for using Zoho Books.